Hello everyone, I'm Rebecca. Today I will talk about percentage change here. So here's my constants. First, let's have a little review here. We have learned the meaning of change before, which is the new value minus by the original value. We can see if the value is positive, we can have means an increase, and the value is negative means a decrease. This chart shows the relationship between them. So what if we want to express the change of quality in percentage? Then we'll use the percentage change. So here's the difference between them. Basically, just use change to divide it by the original value. So how can we know the value is original or not? So if we see the word old or last or something like that, which means there's an original value. So we can also see the difference in chart. This one is units and this one just percentage. It's also the same when the change is negative. So let's go through some examples to make it more clear. We have learned the relationship between these four. If you know any two of these, you can just find the remaining twos. Okay, let's see the question. So we can have a little strategy here. We can list the form to show what we have already known and what we need to know and what we didn't know. So it will make everything so clear. So for these questions, we know the original value is 4 and new value is 5. He didn't give us, and we need to find the percentage change. He didn't give us the change, but it's okay because already get 2. We can just find the rest of 2, right? So let's see the solution here. First, we can find the change is new minus original is 1, and we use change to divide it by original value, which is 4. So we can get a percentage change of 25% in positive. And we can also see that we have a 25% of percentage increase. And these are both okay. And because it's positive numbers, so the positive sign can be ignored. And then let's do some quick practice. We can see we sold 200 books last month, which means it's an original value. And we need to find the percentage change. And also we know this sold in this month, which means the new value is 238. It doesn't give us a change as well, but it's no matter. We already get two informations here. So we'll use the new value minus by the original one and divided by the original one. Please just don't forget to multiply by 100%. It's really important. So we can get 38 divided by 200 and minus 100%, which means we get 90%. So then we have another quick practice here. We can see these questions are very similar to the question example number 1, right? Can you understand the meaning of it? Yes, it's a little trick here. Although they are similar, they are really total difference. We can find the original value is 5 instead of 4. And he didn't give us the new value, but he gave us the change is 4. So we can find the percentage value by this, which is positive 80%. So make sure you really understand the question and read the question really carefully, okay? You can just make this note on your worksheet here. So let's go through another example. It's changed from 5 to 4, and we can use just same way to do it. And the solution here is 4 minus 5 and divided by 5, and the percentage change is negative 20%. We can also say the percentage decrease is 20% instead of minus 20%. Is it because, first, this minus, it cannot be ignored, it must be here. And second, if you want to say percentage decrease, it already means there is a negative sign here, so we can just put 20% instead of minus 20%. Just notice the question of sign, okay? And you can also put this note onto your worksheet. So we can see through example 1, example 2, although the values of change are 1 and minus 1, the percentage change are very different from each other. Why? Because the original value is really different. For this one, it's 4, and for this one, it's 5. So we can know if we A add 20% to get B, doesn't mean that B minus 20% to get A. That's totally incorrect. So make sure you know that. Let's do another quick practice here. We have to do the A part. Let's do the B part. The original value is 200 as well, because last month, and the new value is 194. So we didn't know the change, or need to find percentage change. So it's just new value minus by original one and divided by original one. Don't forget the 100%. So we can get minus 3% of percentage change. So for this one, these are the two questions. For this one, we can see the percentage change is 90%. What about the percentage increase? It's also 19%, right? And for this one, the percentage change is minus 3%. What about the percentage decrease? Is it minus 3 or 3? It's 3, right? Because the decrease already means the negative number. So here's some challenge question for you. You can do it at home, and you have any questions, just free to tell me. That's all for today. Thank you.